Today, I am going to talk on the topic power and politics. Power, right from the family to the international politics, power plays a very vital role. Then, what is power? Power, the capacity of a person, department, or organization to influence others. That means it is possessed by the person. So power is ability to change others' attitude or behavior. How can you change? It is your capacity to change others. So it is potentiality of one person to dominate the other person or persons. The essence of power is possibility of imposing one's will on the behavior of others. That is control over the others' behavior. In order to influence the behavior of others, in accordance with the organizational requirements or the wishes of the person who has the power. A charismatic leader like Vivekananda ji had his own followers. The followers came to him with their willingness. So, power is dependent on the interpersonal relationships. Then where from this power comes at all? Actually, the personality of the person and the leadership of the person brings power to the person. All cannot have the power. So here, sources of power are knowledge. The person, if he is so knowledgeable, then he can have authority on the subject. He is expert and he is having the knowledge to convince others. Then resources. If the resources are limited and if the resource allocation authority is in the person, then automatically the resources are one of the source of the power, because he will decide the salary, he will decide the bonus, he will decide other perks and all. So the subordinates listen to the superior because the resource allocation authority is with the manager. Decision making authority. Who can take the decision? The decision making authority, if it is there in the organization, it depends on the position on which the person is having in the hierarchy of the authority. So decision making authority is there, power will be there because he will decide everything. Rewards. Reward giving authority. Who can give the rewards? The only one who can decide the things. Only one who is superior to him. That is why reward giving authority is also one of the sources. Then coercion. Coercion means some relationships are there where influence is bound, is there. For example, parents and the child, doctor and the patient, lawyer and the client, superior and subordinate, like that personal relationships are there, spiritual guru and the disciple. So either by themselves they come or with the threat also they can listen to the power of the person. Then position. What position you are having? Are you in the authority position? Then you have the power. If you are an opponent, then you don't have the power. Then types of power. Types of power means there are different types. Expert power. Expert power comes because of the expertise and knowledge. Take for example technical expert, legal expert, medical expert or anything like that. If you have expertise knowledge, then you are powerful in that particular subject. Then different power. Different power is nothing but charismatic power. That means you have a personality to attract the people and they themselves come as the followers to you. Then legitimate power. Legitimate power is the right to control the people that is given by the organization. So a position will be there in the organization, then only he can use this power. Then inspirational appeal. Some people with their personality, they have a friendly gestures, they have a good personality in sense good nature and good behavior will be there, so he appeals to all and everybody listens to them. And integration, where the person is working on the principles of democracy, automatically he gives importance to the participation and all, so almost he is liked by the people. That is integration type of power. Then personal appeal. Some people are their personal appeal is very good, that they are friendly and they behave friendly and they behave in a collective manner, and they develop the team spirit. That is why this is also another type of power. Now, politics. What is politics? Why should we study politics when we are studying the power? Because politics is the study of power in action. That means to use the power, politics is necessary. Of course, to use all powers, politics is not necessary. But one of the famous action is politics. It involves exercise of power to get something. Politics involves exercise of power to get something. What is that something? Is it domination or is it goals achievement or whatever it may be? But something must be taken. Then politics has always opposition or resistance. Power need not have opposition, but politics definitely will have the opposition or resistance. When there is opposition, automatically politics is played. When there is resistance, automatically this is played. Reasons for politics. Scarce resources. When resources are scarce, automatically people want to grab the resources. To grab the resources, they play on each other to get these resources and power. And non-programmed decisions. Non-programmed decisions means sudden situations arise where programmed plan is not cannot be implemented. Automatically, some people will be favored and some people is fired or done like that. Then ambiguous goals. When the goals are not clear, politics is must. That means when the roles are not clearly defined, who has to do what is not clear, favoritism will take place. To meet the external environment, when the external environment is volatile, when it is changing, immediately the organization cannot change, individual cannot change. Only thing is he has to take the some trick to come out of the environment and meet the challenge. To organize the change, when the change is organized, automatically people will have to change themselves. So in this change, who gets what position and who is favored and who is given what duty is not clear. Now, tricks of political play. See, in politics, straight behavior is not possible. Some tricks must be adopted to play politically. That is, cultivate right allies. That means right type of alliances must be formed. That is why before the elections, different parties change their coalition with the other parties. Good to help others. Always it is good to help others, because when you help others, a time comes when you are in need, they will give back your help. Try to be positively popular. Instead of negatively popular, it is better to be positively popular. Learn to be persuasive. That means you have to you must be able to pursue the others instead of dominate in an arrogant way. So no arrogance and control the information. You will have power only when you have the information with you more than the other person. That is why control the information. And sometimes taking the side of the unpopular persons so that diversion can be taken place. Then divide and rule policy is adopted always to win the situation. Then exclude the opposition. Whenever you are conducting the meetings, you just exclude the opponents because definitely they will say no, or they will show the other side of the picture. That is why you will not be in a position to implement the things. Now, to highlight the politics and the power, I am giving one example. That is, there were two contestants in the elections. That is Neeraj and Dheeraj. Neeraj won the elections 3 times, and 4th time he is contesting. Dheeraj is first time he is contesting for the elections. He is a social worker. The Neeraj, because he has already successful for the 3 times, he is also contesting for the elections. Now, he was not favored by the people. Almost it was decided that Dheeraj is going to win the elections. Now, Neeraj has to play the game. Now, on the last day of propaganda, when Dheeraj is conducting the political meet, Neeraj went there and asked him to give 3 minutes of time to explain, apologize the people for his failure in the 3 towns. Then Dheeraj has accepted for that. At the end of the meeting, Neeraj spoke in the meeting and elections were over. You know, the results were announced. Who has won the elections? It is Neeraj who has won the elections, but not the Dheeraj. Why? What is the reason? Because Neeraj has well played the politics with his power. He is an individual leader. He has got the individual capacity to turn the feelings of others and control the others. So, how did he manage to do that? In 3 minutes, he used 4 sentences. First sentence, he has used for heartfelt apologies to the people. Second, he said, in the first term, I have worked for my family. In the second term, I have worked for my relatives. In the third term, I have worked for my friends. If you elect me, I am going to work for the people like you. So, you please elect me. If you elect the other person, he will start again and he will need 4 terms to help you and do services for you. And this worked on the behaviors of the people, and ultimately Neeraj has won the elections. So, wonderful power bound Neeraj used the politics to reach his destination, to reach his ultimate goal. Thank you.